I am not a professional mechanic. You should always seek professional consultation from a certified mechanic. The information provided in this video should be considered for entertainment purposes only. About a month after purchasing my 26 Roadtrek Zion, I noted a faint tick coming from the engine compartment. Searching on YouTube turned up a lot of videos citing a similar tick.
A light chatter like a typewriter. That is like a guy really typing. So that is
That was actually the result of a bad rocker arm, the repair for which is both extensive and expensive. However, I was still skeptical for 3 reasons. The first reason is that my van only had 26,000 miles on it, and I found it hard to believe that a rocker arm would already be going bad. The second being is that the cadence of the tick in my engine compartment is considerably faster than what I'm hearing in these other videos. And lastly, unlike the other videos I saw on YouTube, the ticking that I'm hearing doesn't sound metal on metal. Further research turned up this video by Darth Vader himself. The ticking in this video was more in line with what I'm hearing in my own van. This YouTuber linked to a Promaster forum where he explained resolving the issue by simply replacing a purge valve. This happens to be a part that only cost around $25 at the local parts store. It's also located right over the engine block, and I could see how this could be mistaken for a valve tick. And following this video, links will be in the description, this gentleman shows how to easily replace the purge valve, which I was able to follow and complete within a matter of minutes. I just want to share real quickly how I resolved the ticking sound in my Promaster. Again, please note, I am not a professional mechanic. You should always be reaching out to your local certified professional. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you again next time.